Hey guys, so today we'll be learning how to make a keylogger. A keylogger is essentially a function that can record all your keystrokes. So firstly, we'll go to the PyCharm website and just click on the download button so that you can download the community version for free, and there's also a professional version available for you if you want to pay for it. And then we download the file. As you can see, it's installed on my desktop. Double click on it for installing the file. And there you have it. Drag it to the applications folder. And you can launch it. So we are using PyCharm for creating a Python keylogger. You don't essentially need a PyCharm. Any Python text editor or like even a normal text editor can work on Python. You can, if you already have installed it before, you can actually just select that. I do not have it installed. I don't want it to send my user statistics, and I have never used PyCharm before on this particular computer, so I'm going to choose that I've never used it and just install it. So once it's done installing, it will automatically launch a project. It will automatically launch PyCharm, and then you can select you can create a new project as Keylogger. We'll be needing a particular package which is called as PyInput. For downloading that, you can just go to Preferences and Project Keylogger, and then you can go to the interpreter and just click on the plus button and type in PyInput and install that particular package. Once it's done installing, you can start writing up a keylogger file, for which we'll first create a new file and name it as keylogger.py. So we'll first import PyInput. We'll import two modules, that is key and listener. So we want the onPress. If a button is pressed, we want it to launch a function called onPress, and when a key is released, we want it to launch a function called onRelease. So we'll write the onRelease function right now, and if we press an escape key, we want the function to be exited. So if the key is escape, we'll return false. So now we'll just copy the path of the file and we'll store it in a variable called file path. And we want all our data to be stored in a particular file called log.txt. So we'll put that in a variable, and once that is done, we want to add a slash in front of the path so that log.txt goes in front of it while writing to the file. We'll declare two variables, count and keys, where keys is a dictionary and count is an integer. And then we move on to write the onPress function. So we take a parameter called key, which will get it from py input, and we'll declare both the variables as global. So all we are doing here is printing our key just to test the function, and we are appending it to the dictionary. We are appending the key to the dictionary, and we are increasing the count variable here. Few mistakes. Okay, we're done. We can just run the function to see if it is running or not. And before that, we have to actually give it permission to record our keystrokes, which you can do by going to settings. It's just a function, and it's working. So we'll write an if function, and if the count is more than 1, we want it to write to a file. And we'll write a function called write files, in which we'll take a parameter keys, which is a dictionary which we have defined earlier. And we'll use the file path which we have declared earlier and the file name. So file underscore path plus keys information gives you the full path. We'll give it the permission to write to the file. We'll write a for function to write each letter to the character. So as you can see in the previously printed output that we have apostrophes before and after the letter. So we are going to replace that with replace the apostrophes with nothing. And we want all the letters to come in the same line unless there's a space, so that we can categorize this by words, and then want to write it to a file. So each word will be printed on a new line. And then remove the keylogger.py so that log.txt can come there, and we can start writing the file. A few corrections, and I think we're done. Let's run the file. And hello. As you can see, it is printing the output, and press escape to close the file. It has created a new file called log.txt, and we can see hello.key.escape has been printed. Thank you for watching this video.